Welcome back to Sumi Fashions channel. Happy Yugadi once again to all of you. So we are up with another video which cotton silk sarees with different colors and different prints. It is very much in trend now. We have different colors as well. So let's have a look at sarees one by one. So this is the first saree. It is in the combination of green and pink, which is the most purchased color from customers. So the saree is pink, as you can see. So this is the saree body. Body looks like this, and this is pallu. So it is having a deer print, guys, and it's not a print actually, it's a jari. You can see this, it's a jari. It's a silver jari, and we have a silver border as well. It's a pure handloom saree, and it's very good quality saree, guys. It will sit as you wear. And this is the blouse. You will get a contrast blouse as well. And the body as a rectangle kind of design waved on it. So this is the rectangle waving. So this is all waved, it's not a print. So this is how the saree looks like. It's very flexible, guys. Look at this. It's very flexible. It's shiny, glittery, as well as soft. You can see this. It's pure handloom. And this pretty saree with deer print is priced at 1500. Yeah, this is completely handwork. Look at this, guys. So this is very best collections, one of the best collections we have got, and we are giving it at very affordable prices. It is priced only at 1500, guys. It's a best price, and everyone can wear this saree. Anybody of any age can wear. So another saree is this. It's navy blue and this mustard color saree. So the pallu is in mustard color and the body is in blue color, navy blue. Again, this saree also is having the same design, guys. It's having a rectangle work in this thread, as you can see. This is how the body looks, and this is how the pallu looks, guys. It is also again having the deer print. It's very pretty when you wear this. So, and the blouse is again mustard yellow color. So it's pure handloom. Look at this. It's not stiff, guys. It's very soft kind of, and you however you wear, no, it will sit accordingly. So this is one more saree. This is also priced at 1500. We have another two colors. Any color will be available. If you want any other color apart from this video, you have to let us know in our WhatsApp number, which is displayed on the screen. And you have to pre-order it, guys. We will dye it in the required colors. So this is one more color. This is evergreen color actually. It's a black saree with a red pallu. So the design is moreover the same. We have a rectangle of boxes of work, and we have a bead jari running all through the pallu. So it's very bright color, bright combination. It will stand out in the parties, guys, morning or night. So look at that, how beautifully it looks. Look at that. This is how it's gonna look. And Let's see the blouse. So it is again having a contrast blouse, red color, pure handloom, and saree is black. So this is the third color. This is also priced at 1500, guys. One more color. This is a red saree with black pallu. So this is having the material is same. It's handloom, cotton silk, pure cotton silk on the softer side, but the print is a little bit different from the other sarees. So this is the print we got. I don't know what do they call, like
Jerry.
this is how the saree looks like, and the pallu looks like this. And here we have got the elephant design, guys. Look at this, how pretty it is. Very pretty saree. And let's have a look at blouse. The blouse is black, and the body is red. And these sarees are completely handloom, guys. We have a jari work all through. It's not a printed saree, it's a jari saree. So this is also priced at 1500, guys. So for any orders, please message us on the WhatsApp number given. 24/7 we are available. So before the stocks runs out, please do order. We are also available on Facebook as well as Instagram. So please look into the description box. We have given all the details about the Facebook and Instagram IDs. So we are giving the sarees at very reasonable prices, and we are 100% giving assurance on the quality of the sarees we sell. Very soon we'll be up with another video with a different collection of sarees. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do subscribe, like and share the video, guys. Thank you so much.